dolls, it's me Alyssa. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Target Dollar Spot haul for Easter and I am so excited. So I know this is a little bit late, but anyways, I still have it to share with you guys. So I hope you enjoy, and I'm sorry if my voice sounds a little bit raspy. I've been, I think, coming with down like allergies or something because I haven't been able to breathe and I've been all stuffed up. So if I sound a little bit weird, that's why. So, yeah, I'm so excited to share with you guys this video. So, camera's moving. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoy, and we're gonna get right on into it. So, everything here is from Target Dollar Spot, so I'm really excited. As you guys know, I love the Target Dollar Spot for the holidays, so I only got a little bit of spring and Easter kind of goodies. Everything's mostly Easter here, but I hope you still like it, and we're going to get right on into it. So, the first thing I'm going to share with you guys is the little accessories that I got. So, I did get socks because you guys know I love to stock up in like the Target Dollar Spot when they have like holiday or just any type of like cute little fun socks because they're so inexpensive. They're only $1. So, I got a couple pairs of these. So, the first one are these little bunnies, and they're striped. And they're longer than the other ones. So I got these little bunnies. And then I also got these baby pink polka dotted ones. And they're just like hot pink with gray. So I got those. And then they had little Easter egg ones. So I got those as well. And then I got these cute little bunnies. Just light pink with little bunnies on them. And those were all the little socks, and they were all $1. Can you see? Okay. So I got those, all those socks. And then I'm trying to talk to you guys. Sorry, my voice is raspy. And then I got some flower crowns. They had two different flower crown designs. They had this one. Yes, they had two different flower crown designs. And the first one right here has just the hot pink and light baby pink flowers. And then they have these cute little sequin, kind of like glittery leaves attached to the little rose petals. For like the rose petals. They're so cute. I love little roses, guys. You guys might know this, might not, but I love roses. And so I got these little flower crowns. Here's what the back looks like. They're kind of cute. They're very cute, and I thought they were nice and simple, and they were only $3. And then the second design one that they had was the purple roses with the hot pink. So I got both. So $3 again, and I thought these were just simply simple and cute and fun, especially cute for kids if kids want some, because usually flower crowns are usually from, if you're getting them from Forever 21 or Claire's and stuff, sometimes they're a little expensive because those are much better quality and stuff, but if you're looking for a cheap alternative, for $3 for just like little kids and stuff, then I got these in the Dollar Spot for the spring, which is nice because I don't think I've ever seen Target Dollar Spot bring out floral crowns, so that was very interesting. Okay, then I also did get for accessories, I got two bunny ears. I got two sets of bunny ears. So I got these wired shaped bunny ears that are covered like in this very thin satiny kind of like material ribbon, and then it had those same little roses as the floral crown with the little glittery petal leaf right here. and it's just the hot pink and the baby pink. And this was $1. I got this because it was so simple and cute, so I thought, why not? So I got that one. And then I also got just these simple fuzzy pink bunny ears. And these were also $1. Thought, why not get just some simple fuzzy bunny ears? Because I didn't have any plain ones. The ones I had were like glittery and they had like a bow on it from like Dollar Tree or something like that, but I didn't have any simple plain ones like this, so I got these and they're so cute. So cute. Okay, so that's all most likely for like the accessories for like clothing wise. And then the only other accessory piece that I got that I would put that they had that you could put like on a bag or something was this big huge pom-pom little bunny ear keychain. I believe there was another color, which I don't remember what it was, but there was another one, and I got just this one, and this was $3, this big fuzzy pom-pom little bunny keychain, and it just has these cute little like ears. Simply so cute. It's so big. It would be a very cute bag accessory. Little fuzzy bunny. So cute. So I got that. Because everybody likes, I don't know, there's so many. Target Dollar Spot has keychains out now. And then, you know, Dollar Tree is coming out with like a bunch of keychains and stuff, which is ridiculous for bag accessory wise, because I'm guessing that's gonna become it's becoming like a big huge trend to have like bag accessories for your bags and stuff. So something to keep an eye out for. I used to, oh my gosh, when I was like very little in school, I used to put tons of keychains all over my backpack. Like they would be fully stocked. But yeah, and also for the holidays, when I was a very young kid, my mom would used to put pins, like holiday pins, on my like jackets and stuff, or clothing and things like that, when I was very young. So I had like a holiday pin for like each holiday that my mom would put on whatever I was wearing, whether it was like a winter jacket or whatever shirt I was wearing for school that day, you know, to celebrate the holidays and stuff. I was that kid. Okay. Now for some more fun, festive little holiday stuff here. We have some party little things. I didn't get too many party stuff. I didn't really like for Easter wise from Target Dollar Spot. I don't know, I just didn't get any banners or anything this year. I don't think I was very too excited about any of them or things like that. Because I don't think, none of them were like banners that I could hang up wise for the kitchen. I think they were all mostly like plaques or something like that. That's why maybe I didn't get any this year. Because I went to Dollar Tree as well, and I didn't see any like banners. Like I wanted banners like how I did for like Valentine's Day and St. Patrick's Day. Like I wanted banners like those, but I don't think I had found any this year at all, whether it was Target Dollar Spot or Dollar Tree. They didn't have anything like that, so I didn't do too well with Easter decor this year. So I don't know if I'm decorating for Easter this year, so I might do a little tablescape. I think that's all I'm pretty much doing for this year, because if I'm taking pictures of my cats for Easter this year, then I think they're only getting whatever I decorate on the table, so that might be the only thing you see this year for me for decorating wise for Easter. Anyways, here are the little straws. Yes, I did get more straws. Mind you, the other straws that I have hauled from Valentine's Day, I have not used yet. I hauled Valentine's Day straws that I got, and I never used them. I think I'm just collecting them because I like the fun patterns. But anyways, the one thing I found that was interesting is that they had plastic straws. I did get all the designs, I believe, for the straws. And these straws are all $1. So these are all $1. So I have these glittery pink ones. And these are plastic, so I'm guessing I can reuse these if I wash them. Mind you, I've never bought plastic straws or anything like this, or reusable straws, so I'm not quite sure how that works. I've never bought any before, so these feel very kind of, yeah, they feel plastic, like they're not paper or anything. They're not made out of paper. But you get 6 in here. So I'm really excited about that. And do you see the little glittery? They're clear with pink glitter throughout. So I got those. And then we got some polka dot little straws. And I could see there's a gold foil little polka dots on these. But these just have like pink, blue, and purple little polka dots on a white backing. And then, yeah, so these are all, I don't know if you can see, these were all $1 too. And then these were these really cute floral ones. They look like summery almost too. Nice and vibrant. Also got these little striped ones with polka dots. And then they had little Easter egg ones. So little Easter eggs. So those were all of the straws. That they had. And then I also got, oh, I think that one just fell. Okay. Then I got a little cookie cutter set. They had a little chick. There was another cookie cutter set, but I think I liked this one the best because it had a little chickie. And then there was a little bunny, a butterfly, and then a little tulip. And then this was $3 as well. So I believe there was another cookie cutter set. There was 2 different options, but I only got this one because I like this one the best. So, and I didn't have any Easter cookie little things. And I figured, you know, this is good for either, you know, Easter or spring because I had a butterfly in it, and I don't have butterfly cookie cutters, and I like butterflies. So I got that one. All right, now the 2 last things are little decor items. So I found this little wood-pieced little box decor that just says spring is here. Little floral designs on it, and it's like pink outlining and sees a little box. And this was $1. It's a little shadow box, they call it. So I got that, thought that was a little cute piece, and it was only $1, so why not? And then my favorite part out of everything I got, I love this little bunny. Oh, this bunny is so cute. I love ceramics. And I like that it was white and it had rose gold ears. I believe there was, I don't know, I think there was supposed to be another bunny that they had too. I think it was supposed to be like sitting, laying down or something like that. But I only had seen this one. It's so cute. The simple white bunny with the rose gold ears, so pretty. And this was $3. Hopefully you guys can see. $3 for this little bunny. I wanted this so bad. So yeah. That was everything that I had got in this entire haul. So I hope you guys enjoyed. If you want to see what I got for if you want to see like my St. Patrick's Day decor haul for this year and my Valentine's Day, both of my Valentine's Day decor hauls that I did this year as well. I will link those down below in the description box so you guys can go check that out, because that would be amazing if you wanted to go see what other decor items I have gotten for other holidays and stuff like that. But yeah, I'm so excited that I was able to share this with you guys, even though it's a little bit late. But you know, whether you're buying this for Easter or just for spring in general, then this will work out fine no matter what. Because I feel like when it comes to Easter and spring, it's kind of like a mixed combo. Just like you could just leave it up till it's summer. So yeah, that is everything I got. I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. It's greatly appreciated. And I will see you all in my next video. And I hope you all have a wonderful Easter. And I love you guys. Have a beautiful and magical day. Bye.